Hello A&P students, this is Mr. Becker here to talk about the muscles of the anterior neck. Our first muscle is this one right here and goes to show how our regional nomenclature works. We have the sternocleidomastoid. Sterno is an origin, it originates from the sternum. Cleido is an origin, it originates from the clavicle, and then they insert onto the mastoid process. Everywhere you find an O in a muscle name, generally, the origin is right in front of the O. Running underneath the sternocleidomastoid is one of our digastric muscles, the omohyoid. And then next to that, we have the sternocleidomastoid muscle. All right, the sternocleidomastoid muscle originates from the sternum down here and then inserts onto the hyoid bone up here. And then under that is another sheet of muscle, the sternothyroid. Originates from the sternum and inserts onto the thyroid cartilage of the larynx. Deep to all of these muscles, we have three sets of muscles called the scalenes: the anterior scalene, the middle scalene, and the posterior scalene. The scalenes insert onto rib 1 or 2 and are going to help to elevate the ribs during deep breathing. The final three muscles that we have are located under the mandible, and this first is this sheet of muscle right here. This is the mylohyoid. It originates from the mylohyoid line on the mandible and inserts onto the hyoid bone. Sitting superficial to this is the digastric. It's a double belly muscle just like the omohyoid, but it's the original example. So we have the anterior belly here, and then coming back this way we have the posterior belly. That is the digastric. And then sitting behind that right here is the stylohyoid. It originates from the styloid process and inserts onto the hyoid bone. These are the muscles of the anterior neck that you have to identify on Practical 1.